Okay, so this is a tankless hot water heater. And how it works is cold water comes in through here. You've got your propane tank and your hot water. So as soon as cold water starts coming through the opening up here, it opens up the gas and ignites the pilot light, and the flame starts, and then you have hot water. So what I did is hook up a switch to the water pump, so that way when you turn the water pump on, this clicks on, ignites, and starts putting water through the shower here. So I installed a little switch down here. You can barely see it, maybe. So I'll flip that on. It'll start up the pump, and then it'll kick over, and then you'll see the flame through here, and you can adjust it. Right now it's at 95 degrees, 99, 100. And you can still turn this up hotter too. 110, 111, 112, 115, and it's getting hot. It'll get to the point that you can't even put your hand underneath it. So you can always adjust it. 125, 126, 127. I'll turn that down. I don't really have it all the way up. I haven't really showered with it yet, but it's working good. You can see the flame in there. Staying steady at 125. And that's Fahrenheit. You can barely see. Flip your switch off, and everything shuts off.